Hitting it out of the park. Mastering an American English idiom. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a popular American English idiom that you might have heard in movies, sports broadcasts, or casual conversations. Hit it out of the park. This phrase is not only vibrant in its imagery but also rich in its application. So, let's get ready to understand and use this idiom like a native speaker. Hit it out of the park is an idiom that originally comes from baseball, a sport dearly loved in the United States. In baseball, hitting a ball out of the park is a significant achievement, as it means the batter has hit a home run, allowing them to circle all the bases and score without risk of being put out. When used as an idiom in everyday language, hit it out of the park means to do something exceptionally well or to achieve a great success, especially more than what was expected. It's a way of acknowledging that someone has exceeded expectations in their performance or effort. To help you grasp how to use this idiom, let's look at a few examples. 1. After a job interview, I think I really hit it out of the park with my answers during the interview. The hiring manager seemed very impressed. 2. During a presentation, Sarah really hit it out of the park with her presentation on the new marketing strategy. It was clear, persuasive, and engaging. 3. In personal achievements, I wasn't sure I had prepared enough for the marathon, but I hit it out of the park and finished with a personal best time. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from professional to personal achievements. While hit it out of the park is a versatile idiom, it's important to know when its use is appropriate. This idiom is best used in informal settings, such as conversations with friends, family, or in casual business contexts where you want to express admiration or congratulations for someone's outstanding achievement. It's less appropriate in very formal or conservative settings due to its colloquial nature. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more comfortable using the idiom, hit it out of the park. Remember, learning idioms is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about getting closer to the culture behind the language. So, next time you see someone achieving great success, don't hesitate to tell them they've hit it out of the park. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll continue to explore the fascinating aspects of the English language together.